everyone, my name is Maryam and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious macaroni carbonara, which is totally our family dish's favorite. So yeah, without further talking, let's head to the kitchen and start cooking. The ingredients are some sausages sliced, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 100 grams of unsalted butter, some grated cheese, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, olive oil, which is optional, pinch of Italian herb, pinch of salt, and pinch of black pepper, 1 cup of milk, spaghetti, lastly some water. First, we are going to boil the spaghetti with some olive oil and pinch of salt. In the frying pan, brown the sausages on low to medium heat, then transfer to a plate for later use. Next, melt butter in the same pan until melted. Once melted, fry the chopped garlic until fragrant. Afterwards, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix into roux. Then, pour 1 cup of milk and stir regularly. Now add some of the pasta water to thicken the sauce. Add the herbs, black pepper, and salt. Mix well. Then add the grated cheese, the cooked sausages, and the previously prepared pasta into the pan. More pasta water and mix well together. We're going to rest it for a few minutes. After we rest it for a while, now it's ready to be served and to be eaten. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I would be really appreciate if you would try it. Yes, and thank you for watching. Daging sedap. Let's get ahead into the chicken.